Next is basic gates. Here we will see the first type of basic gate, that is OR gate. So this OR gate has two or more inputs. OR gate has two or more inputs but only one output. Only one output. So OR gate has two or more inputs but only one output. This OR gate is also known as inclusive OR gate. This OR gate also known as inclusive OR gate. Now see here, this is the symbol of OR gate, and this OR gate is having two inputs here. Two inputs, and those inputs are A and B, and only one output, and that output is Y. See in this symbol here, A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. Next is the Boolean equation. See, this Y is equal to A plus B is the Boolean equation for this OR gate here, which having two inputs. So Y is equal to A plus B. This plus sign indicates the OR function. Plus sign indicates the OR function. So we can also call it as Y is equal to A or B. This is the Boolean equation for the OR gate which having two inputs. If there are n number of inputs, then we can write the Boolean equation for OR gate as Y is equal to, the input starts from A or B or C up to n. So if there are n number of inputs, then the Boolean equation for OR gate is this, that is Y is equal to A or B or C or up to n. Now we will see the logic of this two input OR gate. Now see here, this OR gate has two input A and B. If input A is true or input B is true, then the output Y is true. See the logic behind this two input OR gate. If A is true or B is true, then Y is true. It means that if A and B are the inputs here, and if input A is true means high, or input B is true, that means high, or both inputs A and B are high, then the output Y is also high. See again the logic behind this OR gate. If A is true, that means if input A is high or input B is high, or both the inputs A and B are high here, then the output Y is high. Now we will see the truth table for the two input OR gate. Now see here, A and B are the inputs here. So as there are two inputs, then there will be four possible combinations. First one is 0 0, second one is 0 1, third one is 1 0, fourth one is 1 1. Now we have to write here output. So logic, see the logic behind this OR gate. If A is true or B is true, that means if one of the input is high or both the inputs are high, then output is high. Now see here, in first combination, both the inputs are low. We are represents low by binary 0. So here both the inputs are low, then the output will low here. The output will be low. Here in the second combination, A is low but B is high. Then output will be high here. In the third combination, A is high, B is low, output is high. That is 1. Here in the fourth combination, both A and B, both the inputs A and B are high, then the output is higher. So this is the truth table for OR gate. This is the truth table for two inputs OR gate. Next we will see this simple circuit for the OR gate using switches as input and the LED as output. See here, these A and B, these are the two switches here. So we can write here A and B, A and B. These are the two switches are used as inputs here in this circuit, and this LED here, this LED is used as output. Now we will see how this circuit works. See here, this is the power supply, DC power supply, that is V here. So we can write the truth table. We can write the truth table here. In this truth table, we will take switch A and switch B both as input and this LED as output here. Now see here, if switch A is open and switch B is also open, that means in case of binary, open means 0. So if both the switches are open here, then what happens? There will be no current flows through the circuit here. No current flows through this LED. So the LED will be off here. So in case of binary, we can write here 0. Or in terms of binary, we can write here 0. Off means 0. Now the second combination we will take, if switch A is open, that means it is binary 0, but switch B is closed, that means it is binary 1. So see here, if switch B is closed, then the current will flow through the switch B, and that current will flow through this LED, and this LED will get on. So in case of binary, it will be 1. Now we will take the third combination here. If switch A is closed, that means it is binary 1, and switch B is open, that means it is binary 0. Now see here, if switch A is closed here but B is open, now the current will flow through this switch A through the LED from a positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of battery. So here the LED will get on here, that means here binary 1. And the last, the fourth combination, that is if switch A is closed, that means it is binary 1, and switch B is also closed, that is it is binary 1 here. So if both the switches are closed, then current will flow through these switches here, both these switches, and the current will flow through the LED, and it will be flow from positive terminal of battery to the negative terminal of battery. That means the LED will get on, so it will be binary 1. So this is the truth table for this simple circuit by using switches as input and LED as output. So this is the first type of basic gate, that is OR gate. Next we will see the second type of basic gate, that is AND gate. the AND gate has two or more inputs, and only one output. So AND gate has two or more inputs but only one output. Now see here, this is the symbol of an AND gate having two inputs A and B and one output Y. So in this symbol there are two inputs. Those two inputs are A and B, and there is only one output, and that output is Y. So here we will see the two input and one output AND gate. Now we will see the Boolean equation for this AND gate, and see here Y is equal to A into B, A into B. This is the Boolean equation. For the two input AND gate. And in this Boolean equation, this dot represents, see here, this A dot B, this dot represents the AND function. So Y is equal to A dot B, that means A and B is the Boolean equation for this two input AND gate. Next we will see the logic behind this two input AND gate. The logic behind this two input AND gate is, if input A is true and input B is true, then the output Y is true. See here, the logic behind this AND gate is, behind this two input AND gate is, if A is true and B is true, then Y is true. It means that if input A is high, and input B is high, then the output Y is also high. So in case of two input AND gate, we can define the logic as, if both the inputs are high, then the output is high. Next we will see the truth table for this two input AND gate. See here, A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. So as there are two inputs, so there is a four possible combinations. First one is 0, 0, second one is 0, 1, third one is 1, 0, fourth one is 1, 1. Now the logic behind this two input AND gate is, if there are both the inputs are high, then the output is high, otherwise the output is low. So see here, in the first three combinations, either A or B is low. See here, in the first combination, both inputs A and B are low, then the output is low. In second combination, A is low, input A is low, then the output will be low. In the third combination, input B is low, output is low. But in the fourth combination, both the inputs are high here, so the output is high. So this is the truth table for two input AND gate. Next we will see the simple circuit for an AND gate, using switches as inputs and the LED as output. So see here, this A and B are the two switches used in this circuit, and those two switches are used as inputs here, and this LED is used as output in this circuit. and this V is the DC power supply here. So now we can write here the truth table. The truth table for this simple circuit of AND gate. See here, switches as input, so A and B, these are the two inputs, and LED is the output. That means here Y is the output. Now see here, if we take the first combination, that is if switch A is open, that means it is binary 0, and switch B is also open, so it is binary 0. If both the switches are open here, then there will be no current will flow through this LED. So LED will not glow here, so LED will be off, so it is represented as binary 0. Now we will take the second combination, that is if switch A is open, that is binary 0, and if switch B is closed, that is binary 1. So see here, if switch B is closed but switch A is open, so as these two switches, they are in series here, and as switch A is open here, so there will be no current flows through this circuit. That means the LED will not glow here, so it is off, so it will be represented as binary 0. Next, if switch A is closed, that means it is binary 1, and if switch B is open, that means it is binary 0. So see here, switch A is closed but switch B is open. Switch B is open, that means the no current will flow through the circuit, so LED will not glow, so it will be off here, and it is represented as binary 0. Now last combination, that is if switch A is closed, that is binary 1, and if switch B is also closed, so it is also represented as binary 1. So as switch A and B both are closed here, now the current will flow from a positive terminal of battery, from these switches, from this LED, from these resistors to the negative terminal of battery. Now the LED will glow here, that means LED gets on here, and it is represented as binary 1. So this is the truth table for this simple circuit using switches, and this is all about the AND gate. Next we will see the third type of basic gate, that is NOT gate. The NOT gate, it has only one input and one output. So NOT gate has only one input and one output. The NOT gate always inverts. NOT gate always inverts the input. Inverts the input in the output. Always inverts the input in the output. Because of that, this NOT gate is also called as inverter. NOT gate is also called as inverter. Now see here, this is this symbol for NOR gate, in which this A is input here. A is input, that is only one input of the NOT gate, and Y is the output. So NOT gate has only one input and one output, and this Y is equal to A bar. Y is equal to A bar is the Boolean equation. Is the Boolean equation for NOT gate. And in this Boolean equation, this Y is equal to A bar. This bar, see here, this bar represents the inversion. Bar represents the inversion. Now we will see the logic behind this NOT gate. Now see here, if input A is true, then the output Y is false. And if input A is false, then the output Y is true. It means that if input A is true, that means if input A is high, then output Y is low. And if input A is low, then the output Y is high. Next we will see the truth table for the NOT gate. See here, A is input and Y is output. So as here it is a single input here. See, if input A is low here, that means A is false, then output Y is true, that means it will be high. Output Y is high here. And if input A is true, that means if input A is high, then the output Y is false, that means it is low here. So when A is 0, that is input is 0, then output is 1, and if input is 1, then output is 0. Next we will see this simple circuit for NOT gate using switch as input and LED as output. See here, this A is a switch here. As NOT gate only have one input, so here there is only one switch, that is A. So this A is the input and this LED is the output here. Now see, we will write here a truth table for this simple circuit for NOT gate. So in truth table, first we will write switch A as input here and this LED as output. So we will write here, that is Y. Now see here, if switch A is open here, open means binary 0. So switch A is open. Now the current will flow from a positive terminal of battery. As switch A is open, the current will not flow through the switch. So it will flow, the path of the current will be from LED through this resistor to the negative terminal of battery. So here the LED will get on here. So it will be represented as binary 1. Now the second combination or a second case is if switch A is closed here, that means it will be represented as binary 1. So if switch A is closed, see here, if switch A is closed, now the whole current will flow through this switch A through this resistor to the negative terminal of battery. So there will be no current flows through the LED when the switch A is closed here. So the LED will get off here. So it will be represented as binary 0. So this is the truth table for the simple circuit of NOT gate, and this is all about the third type of basic gate, that is NOT gate.